Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Minecraft intro. First, let's plan. Think about your intro's purpose and who will watch it. Decide on a style, perhaps cinematic or fast-paced, and choose music and sound effects that fit. A good intro is usually 5 to 10 seconds long, so planning helps keep it concise and impactful. Gathering your Minecraft footage or assets now will save you time later. Now, let's talk about the tools you'll need. You'll want video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Some are even free to start with. Look for Minecraft-themed assets, such as character rigs or block models, to make your intro unique. Don't forget to find some awesome sound effects and royalty-free music to set the mood. A good screen recorder is also essential for capturing your in-game footage. With your assets ready, it's time to dive into editing and animation. Import all your selected elements into your video editing software. Animate your text and logos using keyframes to give them dynamic movement. Make sure to synchronize your visuals perfectly with the music for those impactful moments. Adding smooth transitions and cool effects will really enhance the visual appeal, making your intro look polished and engaging for your viewers. Finally, it's time to polish and export your masterpiece. Watch your intro several times to catch any errors or timing issues. Carefully adjust all audio levels to ensure your music and sound effects are perfectly balanced and clear. When you are satisfied, render your final video in a high-quality format, such as MP4, to maintain excellent visual fidelity. Now, share your awesome new Minecraft intro across all your platforms.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.